In this video tutorial, I just want to show you how easy it is to add content to your Impact Page Templates footer when it comes to things like copyright, maybe you want to add some custom links, things like that. Um, Basically, WordPress themes oftentimes have this kind of hard-coded in, but with Impact, you can have full control over your footer area and the content that you add to it. So let me just run through this simple process and show you how easy it is. So if we go to Impact Template Builder, and I've already created a default template. Basically, as you can see, when I select it, nothing really changes. It's pretty much the default template. And then I've saved it and added it to a test page, as you can see right here. Now, the footer area by default is 100 pixels tall. I'm going to actually drop that to 55 pixels. That's kind of my favorite height. So we'll jump into the widths and heights and change that to 55 pixels. As you can see, it changes on the fly. Click Save, refresh the page, and as you can see, it took effect on the actual website as well. Okay, so this is just a blank canvas at this point. So what we want to do is actually add content to that area. So let's go to Impact Hooks, and where this box right here where it says, enter your custom HTML and JavaScript, etc. I'm going to go ahead and paste in some footer HTML content. Now this is actually going to be available on the video tutorial page, so you'll be able to copy and paste it in if you want to, or you can totally add your own custom content, but this is just here to get you started. And basically what we've done is added these custom links like terms and conditions, contact, affiliates, whatever. I'm basically mimicking what we have on impactpagebuilder.com. And then we've got a powered by impactpagebuilder.com or powered by Impact with the link on the right, and then there's a copyright 2010 and you put your site name there. So you can use this as a rough starting point and do whatever you want, but this should put links on the left, a powered by Impact on the right, and below that centered will be a copyright notice. Now this won't actually look quite like that until we add some custom styles as well, but we'll do that in just a second. So I've added this content. Once you add the content into Impact Hooks, what you can do is choose your template, we're working on the default template, and then choose the hook location. And this is going to be in footer because we want to add the content in the footer. So it's going into the default template in the footer. And the other thing you could do is actually choose before or after widgets. What this means is if you were to have activated a custom widget in the in footer section, then basically this, and you're adding this impact hook in that section, these two areas are going to be going into the same place. So this gives you the ability to say, I want this to display before or after that custom widget. Now, since we don't have one, it doesn't really matter, so I'm just not going to change it. So you can go ahead and save that hook, or that hook box, and let's go ahead and first see what this looks like on the site. If you refresh the page, you'll see here are your custom links on the left, your powered by Impact on the right, and your copyright notice. But you'll notice that this isn't centered and there's no padding, so it kind of looks a little rough. So all we need to do to fix this is just add a little bit of custom CSS. So what we'll do is go back. We're going to go to the template builder, and we're going to choose the default template and edit it. And here we're going to show the template options and click on Template Custom CSS. And what we're going to do is scroll all the way down until we find Impact in Footer. As you can see, it's toward the bottom, Impact in Footer. And I'm actually going to just paste in, once again, I'll include this in the in this post. But as you can see, we're adding a padding of 5 pixels on the top and bottom and 10 pixels on the left and right, and we are setting a text align to center, so that'll affect the copyright notice. So we've added those custom styles to in footer. We're going to save the template, refresh our page, and as you can see, now you've got padding all the way around, you've got the copyright notice centered, and it looks looks nice. And of course you can go in and you can add color changes if you want to change the color of the fonts or the font styles, types, whatever, and you can manipulate it however you want. But this gives you the basic idea of how to add custom content to your footer and make it look nice and styled and however you'd like it to look. So anyway, I hope this was a useful tutorial and have a great day.